friends, welcome to my channel Learning for Life. I am Deepanya. So today I am going to teach you exercise 3.7 in your chapter Playing with Numbers. Okay, so we'll go on to the first sum. Your first sum is Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. So what they are saying, Renu is purchasing 2 bags of fertilizer for 75 kg and 69 kg. Okay. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So you are going to find the maximum value of weight. Okay, that can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So it should measure the fertilizer exact number of times. Okay, so for that you have to going to find the maximum value of weight. Always in the question, it is easy to remember that if they give maximum, you have to find the HCF of 2 given numbers. Okay. So, you are going to find HCF for 75 and 80. So, I am going to find HCF. For finding HCF, 75. 5. 1 5s are 5, balance 2, 5 5s are 25. So, 5, 3 5s are 15. Again 3, 1 3s are 3. So HCF of 75 is 5 into 3 into 1. Okay. Now HCF of 69. I am finding this side. For HCF of 69, 3 table, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then 23 will not go in any table. So I am taking 23, 1. So HCF of 69 is 3 into 23 into 1. So highest common factor. So which is the common number here? The name itself portrays that highest common factor. So you have to write only the common terms. 3 into 1 is common. So HCF of 75 and 69 equal to 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. So 3 times the bag can be measured 3 times. Okay. 3 times bags can be measured. So that's all. This is your first sum. Next sum. 1 minute. Here 3 kg. Okay. So 3 kg times bags can be measured. Okay. So this is your next second sum. They are saying 3 boys step off together from the same spot. So 3 boys, what they are doing? They are stepping off from the same spot. Okay. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter. So their measurement is given. What is the maximum distance each should cover? What is the maximum distance they can cover? They are asking. So that all cover the distance in complete steps. So everyone cover the distance in complete steps they are asking. Okay. That is they are covering maximum distance with complete steps. So that is the question. For that we have to, since maximum if it is given in the question, you have to find the HCF of the given numbers. So I am going to find the factors of 63. So 63, 3 table, 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 3 table, 7 3s are 21, 7, 1. So factors of 63 is, in my previous sum I wrote here as HCF. That is also correct, no problem. Factors is also correct. This is nothing but HCF's factors only. 3 into 3 into 7 into 1. So next, factors of 70. 70 factors. 7 table, 10 7, 70, 7 table 1 7 7, 0, 2 table 5 2 are 10. So 2 into 5 into 7. Next, factors of 77. 77, 7 table 1 7 7, 1 7 7, 11 table 1 time. So it is 7 into 11. So what is the common factor here? HCF, highest common factor here is 7 7. Okay, into 1 into 1. So 7 into 1 equal to 7 centimeter is the complete steps they are keeping. Okay, by 7 centimeter they are keeping complete steps. So we'll move on to the next question. So this is your next question. Third question. The length, breadth and height of a room are given. The measurements are given as 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Okay. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimension of the room exactly. So they are asking you to find the longest tape that will measure the 3 dimension of the room, not 1 dimension, 2 dimension. It will measure the 3 dimension of the room exactly. So for finding longest tape, you must know the HCF of 825, 675, 450 respectively. Okay, now I am going to find factors of 825. 5 table, 1 5 is 5, balance 3 32, 6 5 is 30, balance 2, 5 is 25. Again 5 table, 3 5 is 15, balance 1, 3 5 is 15. Then 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Then 11 table, 1 11 is 11. So what are the factors of 825 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 11 into 1. Okay. Now I am going to find factors of 675. 5 table, 1 5 is 5, balance 1 17, 3 5 is 15, 15 balance to 25, 5 5 is 25. Then again 5 table, 2 5 is 10, balance 3, 35, 7 5 is 35. 3 table, 9 3 is 27, 3 table, 3 3 is 9, again 3 table, 1 3 is 3. So factors of 675 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, now next I am going to find the factor of 450. Give me a minute. Factor of 450. So 5 table, 9 5 are 45, 0. Then again 5 table, 1 5 are 5, balance for 40, 8 5 are 40. Then again 3 table, no. 3 table, 6 3s are 18, 3 table, 2 3s are 6, then 2 1. So factors of 450 is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what are the common terms? 5 into 5 is common. Then again, how many 3s are common? Only 1 3 is common. 3 3 3. So HCF, highest common factor, 5 into 5 into 3. 5 is 25, 25 into 3. 25 into 3, 5 3 is 15, balance 1, 2 3 is 6, 7, 75. So your HCF is 75. In your sum they given as centimeter. So write it as centimeter. So the longest tape is 75 centimeter. That's all. We'll move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum, fourth sum. Determine the smallest 3-digit number. You have to find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. We all know the smallest 3-digit number is 99 is 2-digit number, and after that 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay, but we don't know whether it is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So in order to know that, you have to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Okay, clear? So I am going to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. All these three will go in 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. Now again 2 table. 3, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now 3 table, 1 3s are 3, 2, 1 3s are 3. Then again 2 table, 1 1 1. Now how will you find the LCM? So for LCM you have to multiply all the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 1 24. So your LCM is 24. So this 24 into one number will give you the 3-digit number. Okay. 24 into one number will give you the 3-digit number. Come, we'll find out. We'll go for, since it is a 3-digit number, it will be above 8 or 9. So we will check with 8. 24 into 8 is what? 8 4s are 32, balance 3, 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. So it is not. It is highest 3-digit number. 24 into 6, let's find out. 6 4s are 24, balance 2, 6 2s are 12, 14, 144. So again this is not. 24 into 4, let's find out. 4 4s are 16, balance 1, 2 4s are 8, 96. So 96 we got. So it must be the next one. 24 into 5. 5 4s are 20, balance 2, 2 5s are 10, 12. So 24 into 6, let us check. It is 144, we wrote here. Okay. So see here, 96, 24 into 5 gives you 120. So this is the smallest 3-digit number that is exactly divisible by 2, 6, 8 and 12. Okay, so 24 into 5 gives me 120. So your answer is 120. 120 is the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Did you understand? Okay. So your next sum, determine the largest, it is similar to the previous sum. Okay, determine the largest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So you have to find the largest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So similarly you have to find the LCM because it should be exactly divisible, right? So I am going to find the LCM of 8, 10, 12. 2 table, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Then again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 5, 3 2s are 6. Then again 2 table, 1, 5, 3. 5 table, 1, 1, 3. 3 table, 1, 1, 1. So LCM of 8, 10 and 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 into 3, 120. So your LCM is 120. Okay children. Now you have to find a number, that is 120 into a number gives me the largest 3-digit number. Okay, so now we are going to multiply and see for 120. So 120 into 8, 7, let's see. 0 into 7, 0, 2 7s are 14, balance 1, 1 7s are 7, 840. So it is 3-digit number, but let's check whether it is the largest 3-digit number. 120 into 8, 0, 2 8s are 16, balance 1, 1 8s are 8, 960. Now let us check whether it is a 9, it is coming 3-digit number. 0 into 9, 0, 2 9s are 18, balance 1, 1 9s are 9, 10, 1080. For into 120 into 9, I am getting 1080, which is a 4-digit number. But for 120 into 8, I am getting 960, which is a largest 3-digit number. So 120 into 8 gives me 960. So 960 is the largest 3-digit number, which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Did you understand? We will move on to the next sum. Okay friends, I will continue the remaining 6 to 11 sums in a part 2 video. So with this video is getting completed. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and also comment. You also click the bell button without fail so that you get all my videos. I am not only posting educational videos, I am posting some beauty tips and beauty products related videos as well. So if you like, please share also. So thank you friends, thanks for watching, bye.